This is the lethal performance 3-inch double H pipe made by Corsa and exclusively available here at lethalperformance.com. What's up, Team Lethal fans? Mustang King in the house. We're down at RSA Race Solutions in Boynton Beach, Florida, and we're going to be installing our first exhaust mod on our new 2024 S650 GT. This is the lethal performance 3-inch double H pipe made by Corsa and exclusively available here at lethalperformance.com. So I've been driving around in our new S650, which does have the quad tip active exhaust on it, and it actually doesn't sound bad for a factory Mustang, especially in sport and track mode. However, if you guys are like me, you want it louder, you want to hear that rumble, and make it pop. This is a 3-inch stainless steel double H pipe, which is going to install in this vehicle with no welding required, okay? Just a simple cut and clamp design. It's going to bolt right up, and it's going to make the car sound awesome. Now, the H pipe has a different characteristic as the normal X pipe. X pipe tends to have that more exotic sound to it, where the H pipe is going to be a more deeper tone to it. So I'm really looking forward to getting it on the car and hearing how it sounds. So before we install this double H pipe on our S650, this is exactly how it sounds with the factory exhaust in the different exhaust modes.
First things first, let's go ahead and get the car supported and lifted up here on the lift. So now that we have the car lifted up and secured, you can clearly see what we're going to be taking out here. That big ol' suitcase resonator. As you can see, the car is totally stock underneath, but that's not going to last long. First thing on the instructions is cutting at the specific length that Corsa states. Once it is marked there on both sides, we can now go ahead and start cutting. Once the middle section is supported, you can now unclamp it from the front half of the exhaust. Now once you've unclamped the front half, the entire resonator assembly should slide right out. As you can see, it's quite a big difference here between the two setups. Now you can go ahead and start the install of the double H pipe, starting off with the adapters on the front half of the exhaust. Once the adapters are in place, you can then slide the double H pipe over those adapters. You can tighten down the front half of the exhaust, but be aware that you're definitely going to want to make sure to keep them a little loose for adjustment later. Now you can go ahead and hook up the back half. Before you tighten these down all the way, you're definitely going to want to make sure that the tips and the back are completely straight with the bumper, as they may have changed during the installation.
And there you have it, guys, the installation of the Corsa double HH pipe installed on a brand new 2024 Mustang GT. Let's go take it for a ride and hear how it sounds. And that about wraps it up for the Corsa Performance double HH pipe on our 2024 Mustang GT. Make sure to comment below, let us know what you think and how it sounds, as well as subscribe to our channel for more upcoming S650 content. Mustang King, and I'm out.